Hi friends, let me show you this new socket ceiling fan light that I received for reviewing purposes. As you will see, it's really easy to install. You just have to take it out of the box. It's ready for your light socket. You just have to install it and you will have light and a fan. You also get a remote so you can control it, and of course some installation instructions and use instructions. If for any reason you need to extend it like this, you get this extension. We are going to use it. And that's it. Let me show you. Okay. Ready. Perfect. So, just like that, you have light and a fan. Let me show you how to use the remote. You can change the temperature of the light, like that, colder or warmer, less bright or brighter. And of course, you can turn on the fan, okay? As you can see, ready in just a few minutes. It's a great option for your home, for your office, anywhere that you have a socket and that you want to have light and ventilation. Thank you.